Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So continuing with my Elementor playlist, we will continue seeing how we can style text, add styling, and see much or more, get to know much more in depth about Elementor widget and how we can customize and style it. In last video, we have created a very simple section. Now we want to style it. Let's style some background. I will change the color first. I will change it to black and make it little here. Okay. Now let's see, I want to style this heading and text, how I can style it. I will add a new heading also. I will show you why. I will just, one more thing you will need to do, like I also want to style this heading. I will just copy it and you can directly paste styling here. Now I want to change font family of this and size. Go here, go on styling, click here. Here you can see font. You want to change it. Just type it. You can see we have style it. If you want to change the size of font, you can change from here. And let's copy the same thing and paste it here. You can see, and I want to increase the size. We have style it. Similarly, you can add font style, the text, change the text. Now go to typography, change the first font family as per your need. You can see I have changed it. If you there are multiple options, like you can make it bold, thin, whatever you want to do. Like here you want to increase transform style it to uppercase, normal, line height, letter spacing. You can see all the styling option you can select as per your need. And now we will see how we can style the button. Like this is our basic button. Change the text from here. Okay. And now go here. First, if from here you can change the background color. Then you can text color you can change from here. Typography similarly you can change from here. Now these are some styling option like button. You can see position, border, radius, everything. Now I want to change the margin padding. Like I want this button a little large. What I can do? I will add left and right 50. Then bottom I only want 10. Top 10. Here you can see I've changed. Now here you can see the same thing. Now it looks better. The styling is very important part whenever you are creating something. Like earlier, it was very simple. After styling, you can see it's looking much better. You can see in different view and change the styling as per requirement. Everything is looking perfect now. If you have something in mind, we can. So that's why you can style any section, customize everything to it as per your need. Like you can style text, button, you can style add font family. If you want to add link in it, this text only you want to add link it, you can add link directly from here. And when someone click in it, now here this is simple text and this is link. And if someone click on it, it should show hover effect. You can add hover effect from here, like it's to transform into something like that. Here you can see here, or you can change the transition duration, like it will not instantly happen, it will slowly here. You see, so these are some styling that you need to go through by yourself. I can show you how you can do it. You need to go in each section one by one, what they do, how you will do. You need to see all the styling. There are multiple styling option that you can use as per your need. You can't see everything here. Like you can text alignment, you can change from here. You can add typography, text shadow, even you can add. So there are multiple things that you need to go through. Just go through every styling feature one by one. Then you will get to know Elementor in more detail, like how you can style everything in Elementor. And then there is advanced section. What advanced section do? It is used to for spacing and margin as of now. We will don't get much on depth. Like you can add margin from top and bottom from here, like here. You can add padding from here. As of now, we will know the basic. We will go on in these detail in later in this video. Okay, so therefore we can style your section in Elementor, and we will see further detail in next video. Now, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.